Hello and welcome back to the Mountain Morning Show. I'm very pleased to introduce to you someone we know quite well who's been on the show a couple of times, Jenny Dorsey with the People's Health Clinic, like your little sparkle hands.
Yay! Hi, Chelsea.
And then we also have David Williams with us, joining us. And thank you so much, both of you, for coming on the show.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, well, we have a pretty exciting event to talk about, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We're here for the People's Health Clinic.
Yes.
And as you know, Chelsea, living here in Park City, I mean, there's a lot of fundraisers and a lot of worthwhile causes. And so all of us are constantly being hit up for checks and silent auctions and fundraisers. We thought it would be kind of fun to have a fundraiser that was actually fun.
A real fundraiser.
Yeah, a fundraiser. And
I'm talking Utah, fundraiser, fundraiser.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're doing a comedy show at the Egyptian Theater on Saturday, June 30th. That's this coming Saturday. Starts at 8 o'clock. We call it Healthy Laughs. And
you had this event a couple months ago, back at the end of last year.
We did it last year in November, and it was a big success. We brought in then, and we're doing it again, 3 national headliners. I mean, really, really solid
So this
comics.
isn't just like your random comic or comedian coming in. These guys are legitimately good.
These are
people
big,
enjoy them.
Yes.
Yeah, these are big names that have been on The Tonight Show, Conan, you know, do comedy festivals around the country, and they're all former friends, well, not former friends, they're former colleagues of mine. I used to do some stand-up comedy before moving to Park City, and although my career never quite reached their level, I did get to know them very well, and they're great guys, and they really enjoy this gig. It's a lot of fun.
Well, it's great of them to be here in Park City and help out the way that they are. What a great thing to do.
We're really excited. You know, when we came up with this idea last November, and David helped us pull that one off, it was such a success. We knew we wanted to do it again, and having it in this June time frame, we're not only reaching our citizens that are here all the time. Our second homeowners that support the clinic are in town. And then, you know, if you happen to be spending a weekend here gearing up for the 4th, this is a fabulous way to support the community you love to visit. And you get 3 great, fabulous comedians. It'll be such a terrific night.
Oh, it sounds like such a fun event. And now, David, so these, I mean, you're emceeing the event,
right?
Fun time,
right.
And so those who will be performing, we have a clip from one of those. Tell us what we're going to see right now.
Sure. Our last act and main headliner is an old friend of mine named Alonzo Bowden, who, even if the name's not familiar, the face may be. Alonzo has been on The Tonight Show with Jay Leno many, many times. Conan, The Late Late Show, has had a lot of movie roles. He was the winner of NBC's series Last Comic Standing.
Nice.
Yeah,
and he's coming here.
Yeah, and later went on to judge that series. Okay. And I first met Alonzo about 14 years ago when I left my law practice to go into comedy writing. And,
that's a big switch.
Yeah, no, look,
and what a fun!
It is
have great stories.
It
from
is
your
the
law
perfect career move if you hate money. It really is. But Alonzo sat down with me, looked over my initial stand-up material, and was really supportive. Said, "You got to do this, man." Which I remember that line because I'm using it in the lawsuit I plan to file for him for my loss of income. But Alonzo's terrific, and what we have here is a short video clip from Alonzo's appearance a year or so ago at the Sydney Comedy Festival. He's a really funny guy. I think you'll enjoy him.
All right, very good. Let's take a look.
And it's like, don't even worry about it. Be okay. I got the global warming. Have you heard? It's getting hot outside. Getting hot outside, and we're all gonna die. Once again, that's my problem. As soon as you put fear on it, global warming is science. We're all gonna die. Now it's fear. Now I'm asking questions. Okay, Mr. Weatherman, you're telling me how hot it's gonna be in 50 years? How come you don't know if it's gonna rain next week? How about this, my scientific friend? You work on a difference between partly sunny and partly cloudy. Yeah, that's right. Once you've solved that little mystery, we'll work our way up to Armageddon. Yeah. can clap. You can clap. You guys are like, he's black in Sydney and he's funny. We're not sure how to handle this. Aren't a lot of them here. No, I just laugh. It's all about being scared. And now the gay marriage, that's another big one. I don't even know if you guys got the issue in the States. They're losing their, the gays want to get married. Oh my God, it'll destroy the family and the children. What about the children? What, really? Is that the problem, gay marriage? Huh? Because my house is worth $8. Let me tell you something. 2 gay guys want to get married and buy my house, there's going to be a wedding. That's right, because I got a gun and I'll find a preacher. I love when they have a gay marriage debate. You know why? Because the guy yelling loudest about gay marriage.
Nice.
Yeah, so anyway, that's a little short view of Alonzo. He's, as you can see from his Sydney appearance, he travels all around the world and is really, really a solid comic. And we also have 2 other comics of equal talent. One is Keith Barony, who the New York Post called the wittiest comedian working today. He was a television writer for Jimmy Kimmel, Politically Incorrect, and a little-known sitcom called Seinfeld. He was a writer on that show. And Keith now makes his home in Salt Lake. So
oh, really?
It's really a cool thing. And our other comic is Dwight Slade, who lives in the Pacific Northwest and has really been the preeminent stand-up comic in Portland, Seattle for the past 20 years, and does a lot of comedy festivals and is a really high-energy, dynamic guy. So I know it'll be a fun evening, and the most important thing, Chelsea, is that anyone who comes to the show, 100% of the ticket price, I mean every penny, is going directly to the clinic to provide patient care. So you can come have a good evening and do some good for the community. It really is a good thing.
What an excellent cause to help out with, you know, especially with the great lineup you're bringing in. That's wonderful, David. And now, Jenny, how do people get tickets?
Well, they can call the People's Health Clinic and ask for me. My number is 333-1871. They can go online to our website, peoplesclinic.org, and just scroll down and click the Register Here button under Healthy Laughs. And if you're staying in town, just ask your concierge. They know about the program and can get tickets easily. And speaking of, tickets are $60 a person. And it is open seating, so come early. The doors will open 7:30, and you know, hang out and claim your seat and get ready for a fun night.
Wonderful. Well, sounds like a great time. I sure do appreciate you guys coming on the show and giving us a rundown of what's happening. Always such great stuff going on at People's Health Clinic.
There is.
Thank you so much, David. It's a pleasure to meet you. You want to come back on?
Anytime.
Do some stand-up comedy in the morning. Can you
know,
hold that?
I got to tell you, this is the earliest I've ever been up, dressed, and talking.
We appreciate you coming on. So.
If I can just come next time in a loose-fitting robe, it'll be fun.
Oh, gosh. Well, thank you so much, David and Jenny, and good luck with the event. It sounds like it's going to be great if it's anything like the first one, so we do appreciate you guys coming on the show.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Thanks so much.
Well, thank you very much, and thanks for joining us here on the Mountain Morning Show. We're going to be right back here after this quick break. Stay with us.